Welcome back, crew. Hoist her up. We have more work to do. So if you like these videos, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button. It's really going to help this channel grow and help us to create more content. So today we're going to go over how I created a bubbler ice eater for Adventure of Newport. So I was looking through the camera feed on my phone, and a year ago we had some really cold weather. We had a really bad storm. And my Adventure of Newport was out at the Lake of the Ozarks surrounded by ice. So we chipped up the ice and installed this bubbler, and it kept the ice away for the rest of the season. So before we dive into it, we gotta fight the scurvy. And let's go into details how I created this. Okay, this is how to make a cheap water bubbler or ice eater. So first thing, get yourself a bucket. So for the holes, I drilled 5 holes around the bucket. The side holes measured 2.75 inches. And the bottom hole is 3.5. Then I got a 1/3 horsepower pump, and to attach it to the bucket I drilled 2 holes in 4 places and ran rope through it, crossing it over through the middle to keep it secure. I then used a wood to twist the line tight, and then I tied it off. And then to attach the bucket to the dock, I used some carabiners. When drilling the 2 3/8 holes to mount the carabiners, you want these holes to be slightly off-center, which will cause the bucket to have a tilt and direct that flow towards the boat. Here. So very simple. In the future, what I would probably do is add some more lines to the bottom to keep the bottom a little bit more stable. I would also recommend that you cut the cord and use solder and heat shrink and make the cord longer, as it's not very long. We got away with it because we used a cord safe. Shield just to keep it a little bit safer, and we used an additional line that we tied just to make sure the cord didn't touch the water. So pretty simple. I made it in about 20 minutes. Worked great.